How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling digital graphics for websites or blogs on Etsy. So let's get started by typing etsy.com in the search to show you an example of the products that you will be selling. So here let's go to the search and let's type digital graphics for websites or blogs, and here click on search and then wait for it to load. And these are the examples of the products that we will be selling. So here you can see that this one, system.io coaching website template. Here we have 50 digital nomad divas inspiring modern. Here we have Shopify theme for selling digital products. So here another example here, which costs a lot of money, $220. And I'm going to show you how you can create products like this without having any skill whatsoever. So here let's wait for it to complete loading. So these are the digital graphics: website planner printable, website graphics pack, and it's from Boohoo Sunrise. So here there are a lot of products in here, but we are going to choose the popular ones. So let's wait, or let's look for the popular ones in this category, or let's reload again to see the popular ones. It seems like the popular ones are not showing. Let's just wait for them to show. That's what we are going to spy on, because in a bit I'm going to show you I'm going to show you a tool that is going to help you spy on shops, see what's working and what's not, see what are the products that make them a lot of money and the ones that are not making money. And also I'm going to show you how you can create these products with your own products without any skill or anything whatsoever. So here these are the ones that we have. Let's check this one here, for example. So let's check this one here, for example, website graphics, and here its cost is $2. Website graphics pack, boho sunrise, website accents. So these are the examples of the product. And guys, the reason why I like digital products is that you won't have to deal with the problems that are in the physical products. In physical products, you will have to deal with returns and refunds, also deal with clients, deal with shipping, choose the best company to ship your products, and also you will have to pay for the fees of shipping, the fees of packaging the product, and all sort of things like that. But in digital products here, you'll just need to create your product, list it on Etsy, and whenever someone buys the product, they will get it immediately, and there are no returns and refunds when it comes to digital products. So here I'm going to take you to the tool I have talked about, which we will use to spy on these shops. So let's wait for it to load and give it a few seconds. Then we will use a tool called the Shop Analyzer inside of this platform, which will help us to spy on the shops. So here let's give it a few seconds, and here we have the tool, which is the Shop Analyzer. Let's wait for it to complete loading, and we will go to the Shop Analyzer here. So here let's go to Shop Analyzer, wait for it to load, still loading. And here let's go to the search, and before that let's take the name of this shop, copy the name and type it in the search, then click on search shop, and you'll be able to see everything about this shop, how many listings they have. And if you upgrade to the paid version, you will be able to see their monthly sales and their monthly revenue as well. Let's wait for it to complete loading. Takes a little bit of time. So here we have all of their products. Their total listings are 354 listings, or 354 products that they have on their shop. Let's see. Let's close this, not right now. Let's see the age of this shop. So the shop's age is 48 months, so that's a lot of time, which is approximately 4 years. So this shop was created 4 years ago, and this is their total shop sales, 1,300 sales in total. So they are not making a lot of money with their shop, but here I think this is their popular product, which was listed 26 months ago. So let's see, what is this product? Procreate color palette, Pastel Love, graphic design resource, and iPad design. Reviews per month. So this product did not make them much money. Let's see a product that made them, that was listed too many times in the favorites. For example, like this one here. Gold Fall Photoshop Style Pack, one click layer, and they only have one review, but 35 made it their favorite. So this shop is not a very successful shop. As you can see, they are not making that much of money, even though it looks like it, but they are not making that much of money. In the contrary, there are a lot of shops that were created in short times, like a year and 2 months, or 2 years and a half, and you will see that they're making a lot of money with some certain products. The only catch in here is you need to find the one trending product or one trending niche to target and to create products for, and then you will be able to make a lot of money. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can create products like that. So let's go to canva.com. If you are good with, or if you can just learn how to create these products, and if not, if you have some capital, you can just go to fiverr.com directly and pay a freelancer to create a product like this for you, then list it in here, and you will be able to make more than what you paid the freelancer for creating the product. So here we are going to type digital graphics for websites or blogs, and we will have a lot of templates to make some changes to, and you will be left with your product. You will just need to add your touch, then you will have your product ready to be sold. So here you will be able to see a lot of examples like this one in here, a lot of examples of this product. You can just take something here and add your touch, and you'll have your own product. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.